Today we are going to see how to make a quilling flower ring.
Things are 1 yellow strip, 6 red strips, 1 strip of any color, needle, quilling needle, glue, scissors. Take 6 strips and cut it half. Make a tight coil like this and make it loose. Paste gum. Press here and make a petal shape.
I have made 6 petals in the same way. Arrange the petals like a flower shape and paste it. Take 1 yellow strip, fold into half and again fold it. Cut slightly like this till the end. Now make a coil. Now paste on the end. Now make like this. Now paste this on the middle of the flower. Let it dry. Take the size of your finger. Now paste here. Now roll it. Paste on the end. Paste this on the back side of the flower. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.